Ninetales has disappeared? Can he suppress the Ninetales?
Take me to the Pain Master. I want to discuss something with him face to face.
Oh, so you've noticed there's someone else pulling the strings. You, Jiraiya-sensei, you Leaf Ninja are sharp. No more talk. Further discussion will change nothing.
I guess I have no choice but to fight you, huh? Let's settle the score right here!
It's time to settle the score.
Yeah, this is the end of the road!
Mission start!
Do you feel at least some pain now? You can never understand another person until you know their pain. And even if you understand them, it does not mean you both understand each other. Just like you following Sasuke means nothing. I admit you are strong. But being strong alone doesn't lead one to true peace.
You let me worry about that! Let's settle the score right here!
Receive your judgment. Universal pull!
No one can stop me! I'll just keep on going!
Receive your judgment. Universal pull!
Watch me, Dad! I'll do it!
Receive your judgment.
The peace people achieve by understanding each other is a false peace.
Almighty push! Receive your judgment. Receive your judgment.
There is no true peace in this cursed ninja world.
Be gone! Receive your judgment. Receive your judgment.
Pain! Let's settle the score right here!
Judgment. Universal pull! Receive your judgment.
What you're doing is just making more hatred!
Universal pull!
How can he have this much power?
Universal pull!
I can't lose. I'm still...
Receive your judgment.
We are supposed to be trying to achieve the same goal.
Almighty push!
finish you!
You, with no answers, no solutions. Give up!
Get him!
What?
I'm gonna get you!
Almighty push!
Rasengan! Give up! Try to make me give up!
You finally did it, Naruto!
No, not yet. We have to find the real body.
But how?
I have an idea.
Is that Pain's receiver?
I found it.
Tracing the receiver. You're clever.
It was a gamble, but it worked.
All that's left is...
Yeah.
Nagato. Yeah. So, the peacemaker comes tottering in.
You're the real body. You killed everyone.
Do you hate me? How does it feel to face the one you vowed to be revenged upon?
I came here to talk to you, but I also wanted to check something out.
Check out what?
I wanted to see how I would actually feel when I finally looked the target of my vengeance in the eye, and what I would do. I didn't even know myself.
And?
I can't forgive you. I'm so mad I'm shaking. I'll never get over it!
Then why don't you attack me? That's your kind of justice.
What?
I'm glad I made you my student.
What's wrong with you? You can't forgive me, right?
Pervy Sage said he truly believed that the day would come when people will understand each other and live in harmony. He said he would pass on his quest to me. But all I cared about was being his worthy disciple. Now I know how difficult finding the answer is.
But that doesn't change the fact that you cannot forgive me. I killed your master and friends and crushed your village. Now that you face reality, can you still truly believe Jiraiya-sensei's ridiculous words?
When I found out you had all been Pervy Sage's disciples, I wanted to ask you how you, who used to be his students, could end up like this. I can't understand how that could happen.
You care about your village and friends. You strongly desire to protect them. Those whom you want to protect are precious to you. But you're not the only one who's cared about these people. I, too, once had people I cared about. But they are gone. Conflicts deprived me of everything.
Conflicts?
Conflicts created by false peace. Ambition and cheap theories deprived me of those who were precious to me. My parents and best friend, they are all gone. I started hating these conflicts and the world that created them. At the same time, I began to think that if I end these conflicts, hatred will disappear. I thought that that would bring peace to the world. How could I achieve it? The answer was simple. I would become a god and lead the world to a state of non-conflict. Do you see? This is my justice. In order to achieve the peace I envisioned, I hunted down Jinchuriki as pain of the Akatsuki. Everything was for the world's good. All I've done was for peace.
For the world?
Do you understand?
Yeah. I understand your thinking.
What will you do now? Will you let me capture you?
But Pervy Sage believed in me and left me his quest. So I gotta believe what Pervy Sage believed. I've gotta believe my teacher!
What's the point in believing what Jiraiya said? There's no such thing as true peace. Not so long as we live in this cursed world.
In that case, I'll break the curse! If there's such a thing as peace, I'll find it! I'm not giving up!
Listen, Nagato. No matter what happens, never give up. Keep following your path. I know that the peace you envision lies ahead. I believe in you. I believe that you will bring peace.
The never give up attitude. Now I remember that I learned that from Jiraiya-sensei too. But I was so obsessed with pain and hatred that I forgot about it.
Nagato.
I think perhaps I will believe in you, Naruto Uzumaki.
Nagato. That jutsu is...
Conan, it's all right. I made a new choice, even though I'd given up hope.
Nagato. But that jutsu is... If you use the jutsu with your chakra now...
Gedo. Art of Rinne Rebirth.
What is he gonna do?
He's reviving the deceased.
What? Is that possible?
I'm still in time to at least revive those I've killed since I arrived in the Leaf. Think of it as reparation.
Nagato, you're even risking your life for it.
War inflicts death, injury, and pain on both sides. The more precious someone is to you, the harder it is to accept that they might die. You convince yourself there's no way they can die. You might try to find meaning in death, but all there is pain and unbearable hatred. Wasteful death, eternal hatred, and pain that does not heal. That's what war is. And those are the things you will face in the coming days, Naruto.
You...
It seems this is it for me. Naruto, I believe in you, of all people.
What happened?
Nagato's jutsu was activated. People in the Leaf Village should be coming back to life now.
I see.
Nagato would never have dreamed of doing this before. But this kid broke open the door to Nagato's mind. His stubborn mind. This mysterious child changed Nagato.
So what are you gonna do? I'd hate to think you're going back to the Akatsuki.
I'm leaving the Akatsuki. Without regrets. Nagato's dream. Jiraiya Sensei's dream. They entrusted their dreams to you, so you are their dream now. Because Nagato was willing to believe in you, I will believe in you as well. We of the Hidden Rain will help you chase their dreams.
The guts to never give up. And pain. Those are the things I've learned from my teacher and my brother in training. I've inherited their will, and I'll keep following their path.
This time, I pray you'll be the blossom of hope that never wilts.
You got it! Just watch, Pervy Sage.